Hey there! In aviation, quality and safety are basically two sides of the same coin. Let's get into it. Well, it's way more than just the immediate fix. We actually measure it using something called the cost of quality. This framework proves one thing: preventing mistakes is way cheaper than fixing them. First up, let's look at failure costs. Think about a delay because catering got it wrong at the gate. Yep, that's a classic internal failure cost.
Or worse, a passenger finds their seat is dirty. The compensation and bad press, that's an external failure cost.
Okay, so how do you avoid all that? You invest in getting things right from the very beginning.
Appraisal is stuff like a supervisor's salary for doing line checks to make sure service standards are met.
And prevention, that's all about great training for new hires, so they get it right from day one. So the big idea is to spend money on prevention, not on fixing failures. It just saves money, period. So how do airlines actually do this? They use a really powerful four-step method. Let's check it out. It's called the PDCA cycle. Think of it as the engine for quality improvement. Here's how it works. Let's say passengers are complaining about slow meal service. An airline uses this exact cycle to fix it. First up is plan. Find the root cause, maybe bad cart loading, and design a new, faster way to do it.
Next, DO. They'll try the new procedure on just one route to see how it goes in the real world.
Then, check. You measure everything. Did it actually save time? Did it cause any new problems for the crew? Finally, you act. If it worked, you roll it out everywhere. If not, you start the whole cycle over again.
Okay, so this PDCA cycle is part of a much bigger picture, a quality management system, or QMS.
A QMS ties everything together to deliver great service to customers as efficiently as possible. For aviation, the specific standard is AS9100. It's like the global ISO 9001, but with extra aviation rules.
But wait, quality is only half the story. There's a whole other system just for safety, the SMS.
And the whole point of SMS is to spot hazards and manage those risks before they cause an accident. But sometimes these two systems can conflict, like pressure to be on time versus doing one last safety check. So here's the key difference. QMS is about consistency for the customer. SMS is all about managing safety risks.
The solution? The industry is moving to a single integrated system to get rid of those conflicts.
This creates one single strategy for managing risk, which makes both safety and quality way, way better.
So this integration is the standard now. Your job as future leaders will be to figure out what comes next.